Good day. So we're just going to run through another question on simultaneous equations. Now this topic a little long in terms of the working, but with the marks, 4 marks, and a nice thing about it, it recaps several topics in algebra, as you'll see. So we have the simultaneous part, and again, the first thing we're going to do, look at the numbers in front, either the x or y terms, to see which one might be easier to use. I'm going to use the x. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the LCM of those two numbers. So the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So my goal is to turn this into 10x and to turn this into 10x. To turn this into 10x, what I need to multiply by? 2 times 5 will give me the 10, because I'm not multiplying by 10. I want to turn it into 10. 2 by 5 is going to give me 10. And whatever you do the first term, everybody in his equation, in his line, have to multiply by 5, giving me a brand new equation. 10x, which is what I want. 7 5s 35y, 20 by 5, 100. First equation finished. Second equation, I want to turn this into 10x. So to turn 5 into 10, I need to multiply by 2. And again, whatever you do him, you have to treat his whole row, his whole equation the same way. 5 by 2 going to give me the 10x that I want. 3 by 2 going to give me the 6y. 21 by 2 going to give me the 42. Now that I have both terms identical, I wanted both of them to be 10, and now both of them are 10. Here's where you're going to use both equations at the same time, which is what simultaneous means. So I'm going to subtract each piece from the piece on top it. 10 take away 10, 0. So after this step, the numbers that I make the same have to disappear. 35 take away 6, 29y, 100 take away 42, 58. The numbers looking big. But when I solve for y, 58 over 29. Y going to be 2. So halfway done, I get one of the answers already. Now I'm going to take this and sub it into any one of the original equations. And I want to sub in the first one looking a little bit better. Both of them looking almost the same. So let me see. So the first equation is 2x plus 7y is equal to 20. But I want to replace y with 2. So wherever I see y, I'm going to put 2. So now I have 2x plus 7 times y. But I'm replacing y with 2, brackets again, multiply, is equal to 20. So 2x plus 14, 7 2s are 14, is equal to 20. And then I solve all the letters on one side, all the numbers on the next. See how it recapping. Solving as well, and earlier we had substitution. So 20 take away 14. 2x is equal to 6, so x will be 6 divided by 2, 3. So that's the answer, and if you're feeling comfortable there, you could stop. If you have time though, you could always check back. So we find out y was 2, x was 3. If you have time, let me double check if it's working out. So the equation was 2x, but we just find out x was 3, so that's 2 times 3 plus y is 2, 7 times 2, 6, add 14 equal to 20. So the first one satisfied. Let me see the second one. So the second one is 5 by x, but we find out x was 3, plus 3 by y, we find out y was 2. So you get in 15 add 6, which is the 21 that we get anyway. So you can see both of them working out to what they're supposed to, so it's satisfying both equations.